Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing something very fun. I'm in my kitchen again. Guys, don't mind the mess, but today we're going to make 4 easy snacks that you can make at home, and they are super simple, so I'm gonna show you guys that today. Let's get started. I have some almond flour, baking powder, cocoa powder. I have MCT oil. That is optional. You don't have to add that. And I also have erythritol and some vanilla. So this one's gonna be super simple. I'll set you guys in a place where you can see this actually being made. So there you go on my counter. Okay, so this recipe is going to be made in a mug. This way, it just goes in the microwave. It's very easy to make. I'm first going to start off with some almond flour. You can use any almond flour. I just got this from Costco. It's just cheaper to get it at Costco when it's such a big bag. So I'm going to go in with half a tablespoon. Okay, so 4 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna do all the dry products first. Cocoa powder I just opened. I literally just got it. You can sub also protein powder. A lot of the times I'll use chocolate protein powder, but I figured just use for this recipe I'm gonna use the cocoa powder. Sometimes you don't want that extra protein. So, cocoa powder, let's put 2 tablespoons, 1/4 baking powder, and sweetener. It's kind of sweetened to taste. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. There you go. And 1 egg. So go ahead and crack your egg. There we go. Then we're just gonna mix all that together. I'm gonna use a fork, nothing special. So now that the ingredients are mixed all together, just go ahead and pop that into your microwave for I put it on for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Just double check with your microwave, it might be a little bit different. Anyways, I'll go ahead and put that in the microwave, give it some time to cool, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so that's the finished product. That's how the mug cake turned out. It is not super beautiful, but it tastes very good. You can add some homemade ice cream, or you can go ahead and buy a keto brand. You guys might want to add a little bit more sweetener. Mine tasted very good, but it wasn't too sweet. That's how I like it. So if you want, you can add a little bit more sweetener. Oh, and I did add a tablespoon of cream. That is optional. You don't have to put that tablespoon. It doesn't really make a difference. I just put it to increase my fat intake. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to make is something called egg bites. I did not know these were keto. I actually always ate them. I just didn't pair them with the keto lifestyle, but they're super easy to make and they're delicious. So let's get started. As you can see by the last clip, it is the next day. I ended up having to go shopping for the ingredients that I did not have. So now I have everything and I can get started. I feel like I'm so far away from you guys. So the next thing I have in store for you guys is another favorite treat of mine. It's super easy to make, and I have everything laid out. It's just only a few ingredients, so here we go. So I already have some frozen avocado. You can use some fresh ones if you want. I just use frozen because I don't eat avocados that fast. I'm literally the only one here eating them, so I just use frozen. And I have my food scale. I already weighed them out. It is 200 grams that I'm going to be using for this recipe. So let me show you guys how I get this ready. So with the avocados, I just pop them in the microwave just to get it smooth. You can defrost them ahead of time and just end up blending them, but I did not do that. So they're, as you can see, they're frozen. So I'm just gonna pop them in the microwave and I'll be right back. Some erythritol. It's, like I said, it's sweetened to taste, but I'm gonna put just 4 tablespoons actually. You can adjust it to your taste buds. I kind of like on the sweeter side depending on what kind of food I'm eating. You can reduce the sweetener or you can add more sweetener to it. So I'm gonna go in with now cocoa powder. Let's go with 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of MCT oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're also gonna put some whipping cream. I just like to use this just for a little bit more fat. You can also just use water. I just put it on the stove so I can crush those avocados. You don't have to do it this way. You can blend the avocados or you can defrost them. I did not, so I'm just letting them sit on the stove and I'm crushing those avocados. So for these egg bites, all you need are a few ingredients. I got some green peppers. You can use green, red, yellow, whatever you like. I just like green better and I already cut those up. Then I have some bacon. It's just regular bacon. I put it in the microwave. I just cut it up after that to make it into bacon bits. You can put it in the oven or on the stove, doesn't matter. I just put it in the microwave because it's quicker. And then you just need some eggs and a baking tray. So I went ahead and I already greased it. Your eggs, crack them, put them in there, put it in with the green pepper, bacon, and you can also add anything else you want. I add salt and pepper just to give them a little bit more flavor. You can add tomatoes, anything. So that's how the egg bites are looking. Now that everything's mixed in, you just want to toss them into the oven. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. Let's get started on the next thing that I'm gonna make. These are called zucchini bites and I absolutely love them. These are something I've been eating before I was keto. It's a small snack and it's super healthy. What I did is I already cut up the zucchini. You can cut them into any size pieces you want, and you're just gonna take a baking tray and you're gonna line them up. After you're finished lining these up, you can use anything you'd like. I just use salt and pepper. You can use paprika, you can use cumin, anything that you want to season them. Basically, they're just little bite-sized pizzas, so I season just salt and pepper. So I will put salt and pepper on these, and then I'll layer them, and I'll show you guys what I put on top of them. Okay, so now that I put salt and pepper on them, I have just little pepperoni slices. I put those on top. I also made some extra bacon with my last recipe, so you can throw some bacon on there, skip the bacon, whatever you like, add more veggies on top of veggies, delicious. Or you can also add a cauliflower rice. I made some cauliflower rice with some ground beef. You can skip the ground beef. It's up to you. So you're gonna put that all on top and season it however you would like, and also add some marinara sauce. I have Victoria's sauce from Costco. It is low carb, so it's perfect. You can use any sauce you'd like. Throw some cheese on there or don't throw some cheese on there, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna throw some cheese on there and I'm gonna show you guys the end product. Okay guys, so that's the finished product for the egg bites and the pizza bites. I will just show you a closer look. So the one on the left side, I have a pepperoni, bacon, and cheese with some sauce. The one on the right side, it's like I showed you before, it's the cauliflower mixed with the ground beef. And I also have the egg bites. I added, like I said, the green peppers, bacon, put it in the oven. These things only take less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, the cooking is done now. I'm super tired. I will end off this video. I hope you enjoyed everything you saw. Those are some super awesome snacks. Hopefully you guys give them a try. Let me know down in the comments what you do end up trying, or if you actually tried these before. If you like this video, please hit that like button down below. Also comment, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. I gotta go clean. Bye guys.